Hi, my Princess House friends, Linda Bradley here. So I'm coming to you with a soup recipe that we're going to make in our Vida high-speed blender. So this has different programmable settings, and one of them is for soup. It's really amazing because what happens is the friction of the blades make the soup come out piping hot. There's nothing that you need to do, and it's a 7-minute process. So tonight we're going to make healthy broccoli soup. So first you're going to add your liquids, and what I have here is 2 cups of chicken broth. Let's see if we can not spill it on the counter. We have 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then you're going to add in, I had already steamed my broccoli and I put the onions with it, and also the that splashed a little bit, and also the garlic. So it's 1 cup of sweet onions, and it's 1 clove of garlic, and it is a pound of broccoli. So I steamed it in the Vida 2.5 quart, and then this is a 1/2 cup of feta cheese, and that's it. Now what we're going to do is to turn it on. I just want to show you real quick how it works. You're going to put the lid on. That's a very important step. And then there's programs, and there's 3 different ones down here. They're for either smoothies or dips, blends, and then of course the soup. And then you can also make it just go high or whatever you want to do. But this is basically going to run for 7 minutes. It's going to go up and down and all around, and it's going to come out piping hot. So that's it for now. Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I will come back and show you the finished product. I'm excited. Love soup. Here we go. Oh, it turned off. I didn't do it long enough. There you go. It's just going to start all by itself. Okay, I am back with the finished product. This is the healthy broccoli soup made in our high-speed Vida blender. It programmed, it was on for 7 minutes, and it's ready. So like I told you, it's already hot, and I think you're going to be able to see. Let me get the lid off. Can you see that steam? Oh, it's hot, baby. Ooh, it smells so good. So this is our broccoli soup. It has some feta cheese in it. Wow, it's amazing how hot that is. Look at that. I'm going to try some different recipes, but in the meantime I have this one. I'm scared to taste it only because I think I'm going to burn myself. Another winner recipe, woohoo, in the high-speed blender. So, let me know what kind of soups you like. I think I'm going to try a butternut squash, and there's also a cauliflower one that I'm going to try. So send me some recipes. I'll try them for you. I'll be your guinea pig.